All right, so this is where we're going to put the fuse board. So these are for the Ramsgate flats. So this is the 13 flats. So this is one of the bedrooms with an ensuite bathroom. We come out down the hallway into the main bathroom. So that's what this is here. And come out of here, carry on down. Then we come into the second bedroom. So they're not bad size rooms, but still, like, I can't see getting loads of furniture in, put it that way. So, and then we come into the living, dining and kitchen area. So this will be this will be the dining area. This will be the lounge over here because we've got the Cat 6 point on that wall there. And then we come round here, bum, 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 and then we've got the kitchen, which is going in here. So lovely. I can go downstairs and show you. So this is at the stage where we're now first fixing it. So Toby's gone through and pinged all the boxes on. So we can go downstairs, do another video of exactly the same flat downstairs, but you can see it at first fix stage. All right, so same flat as upstairs. The only difference on this one, which is a bit annoying, is the fuse board isn't going in now. We basically was told that the washing machine's going in this cupboard. That's now being moved. So into the kitchen, which means on all the other flats, it frees up for the fuse board to go there. So on this one, again, we come through, and then we've got the bedroom. With the ensuite bathroom. It's a bit dark, my light's not come on down there. And then, yeah, so I can't really see much, so it's a bit black, but there's the bathroom. So I come down here, and then we come into the bedroom. So it's amazing how when you put a plasterboard on, it feels from like a good size room to not good size room. So we've got radiators over in the corner underneath the window, all electric rads, beds in the corner with wall lights on them, TV on that wall, light switch there as you come around the corner. And then we come in here and we've got our lounge area with a TV area, and then come round to the kitchen. So yeah, so this is all going to get insulated tomorrow. Well, they're doing a tin top today. This is going to get insulated tomorrow, and then the ceiling's going to go up, and then it's going to be ready for us to start doing other bits and pieces. So yeah, so that's the bare fix stage and the first fix stage.